In today's video, I'll be talking about 4 main ways to make a full-time income online self-publishing books. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going into detail about 4 different ways that can earn you full-time income self-publishing books through the internet. Okay, so there are many different ways you can make money self-publishing books, but in this one, I'm going to talk about the 4 main ways that have made me the income that I've made through self-publishing online. I'll put some screenshots up here about some of my best months self-publishing just through one of these. Actually, a couple of these ways they'll talk about today. And then there's other additional ways to make money on top of those ways. And when put together, you can definitely make a full-time income or even more self-publishing books online. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what these 4 ways are and how you can incorporate them into your self-publishing business. So let's do this. So as you can see on the first slide here, it says 4 ways to make money self-publishing books. So let's jump into this. So way number 1 is publishing ebooks and paperbacks for free. Doesn't cost anything to upload them and publish them via KDP, which is Amazon's platform called Kindle Direct Publishing, as you can see on screen here. So KDP is probably the most well-known way to do this, make money online by self-publishing your books. And it's also one of the most cost-effective ways to do it as well. So if you're someone who is brand new to this, you don't know where to get started, starting with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is going to be your best bet. And it's the way that I started. It's the way that probably millions of other people have started self-publishing their books online. And obviously, if you don't know already, Amazon is the biggest retailer for books on the planet. It's also the biggest retailer for products on the planet. So I mean, it's definitely the best place to start if you're looking to get the most reach and the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to getting started with self-publishing. And the best part is, like I said, it's free to set up and it's a great way to get the ball rolling, get things started, because it's very, very easy to do on your own, especially if you have the whole book written already, you have it formatted, you have everything ready to go, your cover's made, all that stuff. You just don't know where to get started. Kindle Direct Publishing is going to be the best place to do it. Way number 2 is publishing audiobooks via Audible and ACX. If you don't know, Audible is Amazon's subsidiary platform for audiobook publishing. Amazon owns it, so again, it's very user-friendly, it's very simple to do, and if you're someone who's brand new to this, you want to make an audiobook out of your already self-published paperback, ebook, whatever you're publishing, creating an audiobook through ACX Audible is the absolute easiest way to do it, and it's the best place to do it as well, because Audible has probably the biggest, it is the biggest online platform for audiobooks currently at the time that I'm making this video. So it is the best thing. It is in your best interest to utilize Audible ACX. So if you don't know, ACX stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange. And ACX is basically the area where you create the audiobook. First, you have to publish it through KDP, then you can push it through to ACX basically, and you can create the audiobook via ACX, which is where all the narrators are, and that's where you hire your narrators, stuff like that, and then you submit it to Audible. You can hire a narrator directly through it and get your book made into an audiobook through ACX, and this process typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how long your book is, obviously, and how long it's going to take the narrator to record it and produce it and then submit it to you for you to submit it to Audible. And for an average full-length book, it typically costs around $150. That's usually for around a 30,000 word book. And then say if you have a 50,000 word book, you can expect to pay around maybe $200, $250 to get that thing narrated. If you have a very long book, maybe $500 for a high quality narrator. It's not a very high cost, and the return on investment in terms of audiobooks and the potential for earning with audiobooks is very, very high. So it's definitely worth your time. Way number 3 is offering affiliate links in books, emails, blogs to your list that you may have generated already from your self-published book. So this is something that can be something you focus on way down the road. Once you've published some books, you've built up an audience, maybe an email list, something like that, then you can start focusing on additional income streams like this one. So once you have readers / a following, this is a great way to monetize that following and make even more money. So what you do with this is in the books that you sell, or the emails that you send out to your list, or the blogs that you write about your books, whatever it may be, suggest products in your books or in blog posts. And you can also suggest software via your website or in books and blogs. And with those, you can do affiliate links. Most products, if it's on Amazon, it does have an affiliate link. If it's a software, most of the time software do have affiliate programs for you to utilize. You can join those affiliate programs, get your own affiliate link, and anytime someone clicks your link, buys that product, you will get a commission from that sale. So anything that you recommend to your readers, obviously make sure you recommend it. It's something that you can vouch for. If you have that, get the link, promote it on your blog, book, email list, whatever it may be. If someone clicks that link, buys the product, you will get a commission and earn additional income for that. So it's a great way to earn additional income on top of your already self-publishing income, paperback, ebook, audiobook income. It's a great way to make more money. Way number 4 is selling additional products via your own platforms. So not just being an affiliate, which was number 3, but also selling your own products on top of your own books. All right. And again, this kind of comes with when you have a list and a bit of a following, then you can monetize that list and following even further. So you can do this with digital or physical products. So what do I mean by that? You can do this through things like your website or your Facebook page or your Facebook group, or maybe whatever you have. And once you have a following established, you can promote these things to them. So an example of these things could be like a poster, merchandise, t-shirts, pants, hoodies, phone cases, whatever it may be, courses. So if you have an informational type niche, you have a course that teaches people more about that niche that's related to your books. You do one-on-one consulting. If it's something that's a niche about, maybe it's business and money, your books are about business and money, you want to offer one-on-one consulting on top of just the books that you're selling. You could offer these services through your Facebook page, through your website, all those kinds of things, and make additional income on top of your books. So many things you can do to earn money from your books. And finally here, before I end this video off, I do want to give you a bonus one, which is utilizing additional platforms on top of Amazon and Audible. So there are many platforms outside of just Amazon and Audible, like I said here. And one thing to note, if your books are exclusive to Amazon KDP, they're enrolled in Kindle Select, or if they're exclusive to Audible through the exclusive royalty program, that means you can't be putting those books elsewhere. But if they're not exclusive, things like your paperback are never exclusive to KDP, so you can put paperbacks anywhere else. So you can put them on things like Ingram Spark, Hulu, Apple Books is usually only ebooks. And there's 2 audiobook ones down here. So if you're not exclusive to Audible only, you can put your book onto Authors Republic, you can put it onto Findaway Voices. And these are just additional reach, additional places to put your book, additional platforms to reach more readers and get more sales and earn more income. So it's definitely a great way to make more money from your self-published books. So that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those 4 ways to make a full-time income self-publishing online, plus the bonus one at the end, which shows all the additional platforms you can put your books onto and earn even more money. If you guys are brand new to self-publishing and you're looking to get into it and you don't know where to start, the best thing to do for you right now is to join my free Facebook group. It's linked in the description down below. And the first thing you're gonna see when you join that Facebook group is my 5-step guide to getting started with self-publishing. It's linked to it's actually pinned to the very top of the group. You can also ask any questions you have in the group. I'm in there answering questions. There's other experts in there answering questions all the time. So it is the perfect place if you're brand new to self-publishing to get in there and join and basically join the community and get involved. So guys, that is pretty much it for this one. If you enjoyed it, again, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post new videos about self-publishing, online entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general every single week. So if that works for you, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.